Just imagine going on a long route and all of a sudden you realize your tires are worn out. Worn out tires are prone to puncture and subsequently one can lose the motorcycle control while riding. I'm sure no one wants this to happen. Hi, my name is Keron and today I'm going to tell you about how to inspect the tire condition of your motorcycle control. Well, proper tire condition and proper tire type affects the motorcycle performance. Any cuts or cracks in the tire can lead to tire failure and loss of motorcycle control. Let me tell you how to check the tire condition on your own before every trip. Let's get started. First of all, one must check the condition of the tires before riding. If there is any visual evidence of damage, that is cracks, cuts, exposed threads or wires, bulges, or if tread depth is less than 1.6 mm in front or 2.0 mm in rear, you must replace the tires immediately. Further, also check tire pressure each day before you ride and make sure the pressure is correct as per company recommendation. Tire pressure should be checked before riding since riding will heat up the tires and checking pressure after riding will lead to higher inflation pressure reading. Underinflated tires make smooth cornerings difficult and can result in rapid tire wear. Whereas overinflated tires cause a smaller amount of tire to be in contact with the road, which can contribute to skidding and loss of control. Note, when you detect a drop in tire pressure, check the tire for nails or other punctures, or a damaged wheel rim. Tubeless tires lose pressure gradually when punctured. Moreover, the TWY mark indicates the place where the wear bars are molded into the tires. When the wear bars contact the road, it indicates that the tire limit has been reached and the tire needs to be replaced. Always remember, whenever you're replacing a tire, please use a tire of a size and type which is recommended by Suzuki. In case a different size and a type is used, motorcycle handling will get adversely affected and which can possibly result in losing motorcycle control. Now you know what things to follow while inspecting a tire condition.